Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, we will be learning how you can get the Hero Wars application installed on your Android device. Whether you are using your Android mobile device or your tablets, this process is quick and easy to follow and works for both. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and once it is, open your Google Play Store. Once you do, go to the search icon on the left and in the search bar type in Hero Wars and search. Look for the Hero Wars Alliance game, which looks like this, and tap on the install button to begin the download process. Also make sure that you have enough storage space on your device. Make sure that you keep your device updated for the best performance, and make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi to avoid download errors. After waiting for a couple of minutes, the application will be downloaded and you'll be able to play the Hero Wars Alliance game on your Android, whether you are using your mobile device or tablets. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.